Alright, so what I'm talking about, my dishwasher isn't exactly the best example, but you see this opening from here to here can be a little bit smaller than the width of the door. You see how there's a gap behind this rubber seal. So what happens is, if this dishwasher is not even with the cabinet face, in a lot of cases, the door, you see how it has this ledge right here that seals against this gasket. If this space is smaller than what mine is, and if it goes up to behind this rubber seal, and if the dishwasher is set back in the space, then when you close the door, the side of the dishwasher will hit the edge of the cabinet. So what you have to check for is if the dishwasher, if the space of the dishwasher is smaller than mine, and the dishwasher is set back in the cabinet, then the door will catch on the edge of the cabinet and you won't even be able to tell. It'll still close and it'll still work for a while, but what happens is eventually, with the interference of the edge of the cabinet hitting this ledge, will eventually short out the latch, which is right here. So what you have to check for is if this space is only as wide as the dishwasher and there's no gap here. See, my door closes and goes past the edge of the cabinet and there's still a gap here. But a lot of dishwashers, there's no space here. And the cabinet edge can actually be behind the door. I hope that makes sense.